What's up, everybody? Cap here, Welsh Creative, with our first vlog. That's right, VLOGE. I think that stands for video log. Yeah. So, welcome everybody. I wanted to keep everyone in the loop. It's been a while since I've posted a video. Been really busy with my full-time job, and I wanted to get something up so you guys know that I'm doing something. I know I've been waiting, you guys have been waiting for the video on the tutorial for the masks I did. Those of you that follow me on Instagram saw some photos of some work I did for a company in Dana Point. I do have a video that I'm working on now getting ready to upload. I'm editing it now. Getting ready to upload that and get it to you guys so you guys can see how that worked out. So, wanted to give you a shop update, a vlog, a progress report, whatever you want to call it. Working on some magnets for the side of a truck for a company here locally. So great that we got that working out. The printer, I'm just going to call her Big Bertha, finally up and running. Had some print head issues, watched some YouTube videos, got those cleaned up, unclogged, and now she's working like a charm. Thank goodness for that. So I can get back to printing some large scale images, some decals, custom images, stuff like that. Wanted to take you over here. Doing some anime poster work for a client. I got I think 6 posters to print. Right now I'm in the process of doing some editing of the individual photos, and we'll get those printed out and cut on the Big Bertha, we'll call it. Over here I have my idol, one of my idols, Joe with Heart and Hustle Printing. He's got a live YouTube video that he put up this morning, watching that. And then over here, right there, I'm editing the video for the mask tutorial that I put out on Instagram as far as the photos of what the completed job looked like. So I'm going to get that up so you guys can see it. Fun job, but I wanted to make sure you guys knew that I'm working on something. So that's all I've got. I wanted to make sure you guys knew I'm working on some stuff. Really busy on the shop. Busy is good. Glad to be doing work. It's glad to be up and running again. I did want to notify of upcoming videos. The next one I'm going to do is a tutorial on how to print or create your own labels for your screen printing screens, which displays your logo and your mesh count. Let me show you what that looks like here. Let me open up my cabinet I built. Again, you can see the video on how I built this cabinet on my channel. Please check it out. But if you look here, I've got my screen count, mesh count, and I got my logo here. I'm going to show you how to create one of these, and I'll have a tutorial up here hopefully soon on how to do that. So lots of work to do. Sorry for the short video, but I wanted to put something up and let you guys know that I'm busy. We're doing some work. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notifying you of upcoming videos. Until then, peace out. Cap, take us out.